Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order on Noon. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Noon app and then go ahead and add any items to your cart. So let's say I want these slides. I'll click here on the plus icon and I'll choose my size. Let's do size 38. You can choose your quantity right here. I'll stick with the one. Then we'll click here on add to cart. And then once you have it added to your cart, you can come to the bottom right, tap on cart, and you can go ahead and scroll down here. You can see all the items in your cart. And if you scroll all the way down here, if you have any coupons, you can enter those here and apply that. You can click here to view more available offers that you could apply. And once you're done with that, you can come here, click on checkout, and then what you need to do is just go ahead and make sure you have entered your address and selected it. If you want to enter another address, click on add new address, enter your address. If you have any delivery instructions, go ahead and use those. Let's say you want them to just leave it at your door, you can choose that. Click here on got it. And if you have other people who might be receiving this order, you can click on this. Someone else will be receiving it, and then you put in their name, their phone number here as well. I'll go ahead and unselect that, and then you can choose your shipment. So if you want it to come in, let's say 1 hour 10 minutes, you can choose that option, or if you want to get it tomorrow, you can choose that. So here, this one will be coming tomorrow anyways. Then you can choose your payment options. You have debit cards, credit cards you can pay with. Just tap here on add new, enter your details. You can pay it with the Noon One credit card with Tabby tomorrow, or you can even do cash on delivery. Here you'll see they break down as well of everything. Let's do cash on delivery, and then you just slide to order, and as you can see, your order is being placed. You'll receive an email once it has been confirmed, and there you go, the order has been placed. And that is how to order on Noon.